Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to apply for Toyota Finance credit card. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in toyotafinancial.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Toyota Financial Services. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to apply for the credit card, click on this option, apply for credit. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Before starting, you'll be able to see the steps over here. First of all, you'll have to provide the details of the vehicle you're looking to drive. You'll also have to tell the Toyota about yourself. After that, you'll have to review and submit the application. Once you do that, Toyota will review your application and direct you via email to the next steps. So what you have to do is click on this option, get started. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, what you have to do is simply enter your zip code. So click on this field. Now enter your zip code over here. Make sure to enter the valid zip code. Now you'll be able to find the dealers over here. Select a dealer. Once you do that, what you can do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the two options over here, vehicle condition, vehicle selector. There will only be one option for vehicle condition, that is new. Now over here in the section for vehicle selector, you'll be able to find two options, model, trim. First of all, click on the field of model. Now what you have to do is select the model over here. Likewise, select the trim. Once you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll have to select the lease or finance. You'll be able to find two options over here, finance, lease. Simply click on the option of your choice. You'll also have to select the cash down. Simply drag the slider in order to select it. Once you do that, you'll be able to find the option for annual term. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you'll also have to select the trade. You'll be able to find two options over here. I have a trade-in, skip trade-in. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here. I am the primary applicant. I have a co-applicant. Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll have to provide your details. What you have to do is enter your legal name. So first of all, enter the first name. Likewise, if you have middle name or initial, enter it over here. Now enter your last name. You can also select the suffix if you want. Click on the section of suffix. Now you'll be able to see the options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Once you do that, you'll have to provide your contact information. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Now you'll also have to enter your phone number. First of all, select the phone type. You'll be able to find two options, home phone, mobile phone. Click on the option of your choice. Now enter the phone number over here. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. Once you do that, you'll also have to provide your date of birth and social security number. So click on the field of date of birth. Now what you have to do is enter your date of birth over here. First of all, enter the month. Now enter the day. Now enter the year. After doing that, also enter your social security number. Click on the field of social security number and enter it over here. Now after providing all the information, simply click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, you may also need to provide the financial information and documentation. You may have to provide a copy of your driver's license or other government issued ID. After providing it, simply complete the application, submit the application. Toyota Financial will review your application and you'll be notified via email. Follow through all these steps and your Toyota Financial credit card account will be created. So that is how you apply for Toyota Finance credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.